Microlinked Hair. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here to talk about what your choices are for having microlink hair extensions. So I had a question recently from someone who was trying to figure out how to choose the hair texture that they would need for microlink hair extensions because as you know, your hair is not braided underneath and then the, whatever texture you want sewn on top. Your natural hair is out, and then the microlink hair extension pieces, the strands of hair, are attached directly onto your hair. So it's important to figure out what type of hair you can use. I delved deep into that in the Microlinked Hair E-Tutorial, but what I wanted to do for this video was basically just explain what I do with my hair and the state that my natural hair has been in throughout wearing the different types of textures. So on the Microlinked Hair website, there are 4 different curl patterns that are offered for the iTip hair extensions. I have worn 3 out of the 4 textures that are offered, and so I will explain the state that my hair was in for each of the textures. And for curl pattern 4, which is the tightest curled pattern that I have not worn yet, I will explain what was going on with the model's hair when the extension pieces were attached. So this is curl pattern number 1. This is naturally curly virgin Indian hair that I'm wearing. So there is no steam processing done in order for the curls to have this look. It is the natural raw curly Indian hair. So here's a longer look of that same curl pattern. The majority of the time that I wore this looser curl pattern, my hair was relaxed. So here's a photo of my hair relaxed without any product in it, and I was also wearing straighter styles during that time. Like the photo on the left, that is looser wavy hair. The photo on the right is the curly hair yet again. Eventually, I did transition my natural hair out of a relaxer, and I continued to wear curl pattern 1 while doing so. In this photo, this is after a fresh blowout and a lot of the relaxer had been cut off. So here are some curl pattern 1 installations as my natural hair is transitioning out of a relaxer. So you can tell the difference in that you see that my natural hair isn't bone silky straight, but because it's short, and as I was trying to figure out what my natural hair was actually going to do, I was wearing curly hair that was bigger, it was longer, so it essentially took over, and all I really needed to worry about back then, and actually even now, is really having a great product for edge control to smooth my edges and pretty much blend it in with the extension hair. Curl pattern number 2. So this is virgin hair that has been steam processed in order to achieve this curly look. And with all of the curl patterns, you are able to do some heat styling. So here is a fun look using a curling iron. And here is what my natural hair looked like while I was wearing that curl pattern. So this is my hair all the way natural, y'all. I mean, it is the kinkiest 4C that you could possibly have. I had colored my hair previous to that look that you just saw. So this is the hair all grown out, the color grown out. I did cut out the color so that I could start fresh and do a new look. I wanted a darker look. So I was ready for curl pattern number 3. And here it is. Yes, all of these extensions were installed on that teeny weeny afro that you just previously saw. Again, this virgin hair is steam processed in order to get this curly look. This is curl pattern number 4, which is the kinkiest texture that is offered on the Microlinked Hair website for your microlink hair installations. The model's hair was relaxed prior to installation. Taking another look at curl pattern number 4, but this model's hair is all the way natural. Her curls are a 3C4A type of pattern, and pay attention because her natural hair is actually the longest out of all of the examples that I have shown. She has longer hair in the front, so we chose to have the extensions falling over to the side, a little bit in front of her eye, and then on the other side put some product in it and pinned it. And as she moves her hair around, you can see in this section here where her natural hair at the very top doesn't specifically match the curl pattern that's going on with the extensions. And so in order to blend that, you would just take that small section, do a 2-strand twist, and then you can have the top of your hair blending in with the extension hair. Here's another curl pattern for a look that she's wearing, and the extensions are actually falling backwards instead of over to the side, and the top of her hair would be 2 strand twisted in order for her to blend it. Yes, that's me over there wearing curl pattern number 1 with her. Fun fact, this is my little sister. And here's a bonus for you. This is my mom wearing curl pattern number 2, and her hair was relaxed prior to the installation. So yeah, I've had my whole family involved in Microlink hair extensions at some point. All right, so there you have it. Hopefully explaining my natural hair journey with the microlinked hair extensions and the different curl patterns. Hopefully that helps you with deciding what type of pattern to choose for your first or for your next microlink hair extension installation.